a tiny baby bird appeared in a man's backyard. It was all alone and too small to survive on its own, so the man decided to take it home. At first, the little bird was weak and needed food every day. The man cared for it, making sure it had everything it needed. But with time, it slowly grew bigger and stronger. Soon, it started exploring and spending more time outside. Day by day, its feathers continued to grow until it looked completely different. Before long, the tiny baby bird had grown into a beautiful eagle. It was often seen standing proudly beside the man who had cared for it.